And our last cooking here was a pizza, our third pizza on this thing. They come out so good. Just gonna take these grills off, set them over here. I have to reline this with foil. Doing this one-handed so I can do a quick video. This guy comes out. This is the grease drip channel or angle, whatever, that I need to clean out. I didn't clean it last time. This guy comes out real easy. And then I'm just going to vacuum all the stuff out of here, clean that, and put it back together. Whoa, almost dropped the camera. I would say the vacuuming part of the process is done. You can see in there. This stuff is quite crusty, so if it's like that, I don't know how the grease is going to drip through this channel. Shoving it down the hole, and it's going to go into the bucket down there, which I need to verify that it's not full. Take a few pellets to help the startup. Put them down in here, like so. I'm going to have to load this up because we got about a 4.5 hour cook on this thing coming up. Done with cleaning the channel, the drip channel out, and put the baffle back in. And the little slots. That's done. Should be easier with two hands. I don't know how important it is to keep it centered, but I have a gap here and a gap there. You would think that it would be kind of important to let the heat and smoke come up evenly. I'm going to reline that with foil, then put the grates back on. I just took that drip tray out and put the foil on while it was out. It's a whole lot simpler to do that. Plus you can really wrap it around the edges. I was mentioning the even heat distribution and not blocking those front and back edges. So now I've got the foil on there nice and tight. Should work good and proper, I hope. The drip tray is all lined with heavy-duty aluminum foil.